Now, sir, an electron after being accelerated through a potential difference of 100 volt enters a uniform magnetic field of 0.004 Tesla. What is the radius of the path? So, B is equal to this much and V is equal to this much given to you. So, we have to calculate the radius of the path of the electron. So, we can write R is equal to mv upon qb. mv is the momentum. So, we can write P upon qb, and relation between momentum and kinetic energy is here twice of mass into kinetic energy E. Here we can write energy is equal to Q into V. So, that will become here twice of mass into E into V. E is the charge of the electron. So, we can write R is equal to under root of twice of m EV divided by E into B. So, when you replace all these values, you will be getting under root of 2 into 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31, that is the mass of the electron, into here 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb, that is the charge, into velocity, that is 100 volt, divided by 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 into 0.004. So, when you solve this whole thing, you will be getting here R is equal to 8.4 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter, that is 8.4 millimeter. So, that is the simple question where we can use the formula. Just here we need the relation between the momentum and kinetic energy, then easily you can get such type of the questions.